101, step 3, show up confidently. It doesn't matter if you have perfect logo or perfect colors or you build some excellent site. If you're not showing up confidently, people will not trust you. It's as simple as this. You need to trust in yourself, you need to trust in your product, and you need to trust that you can deliver the best experience ever. And that's why you really need to focus on your confidence and overcome any sense of the imposter syndrome or any kind of fears which stopping you from showing up. So let's talk about it. Your message has to be confident. It's really important for people to understand where do you lead them. So I will encourage you to write down a few things. The thing number 1, where do you want to be? And the thing number 2, where do you want to lead people? So you need to know what is your journey, and I will absolutely encourage you to watch the video on the Joseph Campbell hero journey storytelling, because that will help you to understand where do you lead people. Your story, when you come from the call to adventure to the ordeal and the fears and overcoming all the stories, it's your personal story. And when you encourage people to follow, you don't need to tell about the steps where you're going to take them. What you need to tell them that you actually have a solution and you can describe how you feel getting towards a solution. So your message needs to close the gap between your customer's pain towards your customer's desire. That's really important to have the clarity on this, because otherwise you will be just blubbering. So business videos and business content are revolve around giving solutions to your customers consistently. So understanding where your audience at, who is going to listen to you, where you're going to lead them, will help you to not only create the very consistent message, but also create a very strong confidence. When you write this down, you know exactly where you're at and where you want to lead people. You hold your ground. You say, I know where I'm going. I know what I'm going to deliver. That gives you a very, very strong confidence. So overall, your personal brand helps people to understand who you are, why they can trust you, and why you are reliable. Because you build this personal connection with people, build the emotional connections through your content, through your message, through your other connection types like email, social media, your videos. People see you consistently, people see that you are real, authentic, and they know that you are a confident leader. That's why you build your leadership position in your niche. As well, when you have clarity on your vision, you can lead people and people will trust your vision. That's why personal brand is such a powerful tool for your career and for your business. And if you want to get even more from this training, I will encourage you to watch other videos which are mentioned in the description, which will help you to build your personal brand and business brand and will help you to show up confidently to change this world for better. And in case you want to build your personal brand and work with me, let's chat on LinkedIn. I'll be happy to connect with you. Also, if you like this video, probably you will like my other videos as well. So please hit the subscribe button and notification button as well. And I will see you in my next video.